Hello guys, welcome to UK Lockpickers, and today this is the video demo for the Gotham lockpick set. This is a 16-piece set and it's been designed more for the hobby or the sport picker. So what you actually get in this set, obviously it comes with the Sherman case, same case as the Whizwazzle. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bare steel picks, and what you've got there is your best buster, your twin peak, your worm rake, your small half diamond, your shallow Euro hook, high reach, standard short hook, 9 tension wrenches, and this classic Sherman case. The added bonus of this set is it also comes with 3 thermo handle grips. So if you're new to lockpicking, you'll quickly find out that if you've been picking locks for say half an hour or so, you'll get an indentation in your finger here, and it does get quite sore after a while, so these grips do come in handy. You can see they just slot on and slot off. The set also comes with 9 tension wrenches of various variations of thicknesses, and some come with a twist and some come double-ended. It's a great set. This really is a good set for the hobby or the sport picker. Pictures don't always do a lockpicking set justice, so we thought we would do this video demo and put it on our product description page, so it gives you a better look of what you're purchasing before you actually buy it. So that's the Gotham 16-piece lockpick set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the next demo or reviews. Thanks for watching.